So I am in my cousin's garage today. Here is the Raynor 9x7 garage door with the Raynor 270-7. I lubricated the door today and it sounds very good. Here are the springs. Still the same. This is an Alistair wall control. Let's run it up and hear how it sounds. Here we go. It runs very good now. Let's open it again. I figured why it is loud, so I'll open it. So the case is vibrating. Let's close it and that will be about it. There you go. That is the video of the 9x7 Raynor garage door after lubrication and the Raynor 270-7. By the way, I do have videos of this door squeaking before it was lubricated. I'll put links in the description for those videos. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe, enable the bell, and leave a comment. Have a great day.